Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn some daily useful English sentences which you can use in your daily conversation. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence is आपको ये मजाक लग रहा है. You find it funny. You find it funny. और कोई चारा नहीं था, मतलब और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं थी, कोई और रास्ता नहीं था. There was not a way out. There was not a way out या फिर there wasn't a way out. तुम्हारी गलती है ना कि मेरी. It's your fault not mine. It's your fault not mine. दुआओं में मुझे अपनी याद रखना या फिर मुझे अपनी दुआओं में याद रखना. Remember me in your prayers. Remember me in your prayers. थोड़ा और लीजिए. Have little more. Have little more. कृपया मेरी थोड़ी सी मदद कर दो. Lend me a hand please. Lend me a hand please. आप हमेशा यही गलती करते हैं. You always make the same mistake. You always make the same mistake. मैंने वही किया जो तुमने कहा. I did what you said. I did what you said. लोग क्या कहते हैं इस पर ध्यान मत दो. Don't pay attention what people say. Don't pay attention what people say. आपको जल्दी सोना चाहिए. You should go to bed early. You should go to bed early. कितना समय लगा? How long did it take? How long did it take? मुझे किस बात का डर है? What have I to fear? What have I to fear? रोने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Crying will not help. Crying will not help या फिर crying will not work. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में ही सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. वक्त बहुत कम है. We are low on time. We are low on time. हम पता लगा लेंगे. We will find out. We will find out. मैं आपको रास्ते में बताऊंगा या फिर रास्ते में बताऊंगा. I'll tell you on the way. I'll tell you on the way या फिर I will tell you on the way. मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं है. I have no objection. I have no objection. क्या वो कुछ कह रहा है? Is he saying anything? Is he saying anything? मेरा पेट भर चुका है. I am full. I am full. आपकी चाय ठंडी हो रही है. Your tea is getting cold. Your tea is getting cold. मुझे बताइए आपको क्या चाहिए. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. आप इसके आदी हो जाएंगे. You will get used to it. You will get used to it. मैं आज तुम्हारा टेस्ट लूँगा. I will take your test today. I will take your test today. वह ज़रूर व्यस्त होगी. She must be busy. She must be busy. तुम्हें जो सोचना है सोचो. Think whatever you want. Think whatever you want. मैं यहाँ नहीं रुक सकता. I can't stay here. I can't stay here. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये काम करेगा. I don't think that it will work out. I don't think that it will work out. अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखना. Take care of your health. Take care of your health.